Have you ever wondered what the human brain and the universe might have in common? If we open our minds to the grandeur of the cosmos and the intricacies of our own consciousness, it becomes apparent that the two might not be as dissimilar as one might initially think. At first glance, the human brain, a squishy 3-pound organ, and the vast, seemingly infinite universe appear to have little in common. Yet delve deeper and the similarities begin to unfold. Both systems, the neuronal network in the human brain and the cosmic web of galaxies, contain around tens of billions of nodes. These nodes, whether they are neurons or galaxies, are interconnected in a web-like filament structure, despite the enormous difference in spatial scales. The brain is approximately a billion times smaller than the observable universe, yet it mirrors the universe's structure in a strikingly uncanny way. The distribution of matter density fluctuations in both the human brain and the universe show remarkably similar power spectrum shapes over 2 decades in scale. This suggests that the complexity and self-organization emerge on analogous scales in both systems. But the similarities don't end there. The brain tissue, much like the universe, is composed mostly of passive material. The human brain is around 75% water, while the universe is dominated by dark energy that doesn't directly participate in structure formation. Network analysis based on the proximity of nodes shows both systems have a higher clustering and degree of connectivity compared to a random network. This indicates that both the human brain and the universe are correlated and clustered networks. And what about the capacity for information storage? Well, estimates suggest that both the brain and the observable universe can store roughly around 2.5 to 4 petabytes of information, albeit estimated by very different methods. Of course, the brain and the universe are not identical, and there are significant differences. The brain has more small-scale structure, while the cosmic web is dominated by sparse, massive clusters. The brain's connectivity is based on neural connections, not proximity, so this analysis misses long-range wiring. Overall, the quantitative comparison reveals intriguing similarities in complexity and information content. It invites further work with more sophisticated network analysis to better understand the universal emergence of complex networks. This idea isn't entirely new. Ancient Hindu scriptures have suggested a connection between the cosmos and consciousness. Sri Krishna, for instance, declares himself as the creator of the universe. And to understand this, Sanatana Dharma teaches yoga and other practices to connect the mind, body, and spirit. So the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember that the universe isn't just out there in the cosmos, it's also within us, in the complex networks of our brain. Isn't it fascinating to think that the secrets of the universe might just be hidden within our own minds?